Hello guys, welcome again. This is Raj and I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you one of my recent trade in US stock market. The stock name is DVLT. So I deployed around 35 to $40,000 and I totally took a trade of two trades in a different prices. So I made a profit of 84,000 including all the trades, which is two trades and yeah, so kind of nailed this trade. It's a micro cap stock, which is into AI, data stocks. So that is why the theme was really good, and I thought I'll deploy around 30 to 40,000 dollars. And yeah, the profit was very quick because it's a micro cap and the volatility is high. So let me just explain you in detail in the chart where I entered and where I exited, because the exit was really good in my opinion, and because after my exit the stock kind of consolidated. So before I explain everything, please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, so please let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to click that bell icon. I'm gonna upload a lot of videos. Okay, thank you so much. Hello guys, so I have DVLT stock in my window, trading view chart window. You can see that this is the chart daily time frame, and DVLT is the stock, and you can see that this is the pattern. And pattern is not the only reason. In US stocks, you also have to consider what the theme is, the current theme is. And at this moment when I'm recording, uh, and when I was trading, especially, it was AI theme. And when I say AI, it's not just Nvidia and all the chip making companies or AI companies. It is also the AI infrastructure companies, AI data companies, AI cloud computing companies. So this is, they are into AI data. Okay, so I picked this up in the chart, and what I did, once this is broken, I knew that okay, this is also a hot theme. And technical is also matching up, because this is a beautiful pattern. If you look at this, there has been a heavy trend, resistance around this area, and then when there is a breakout, I just bought this here around 1.4. Okay, totally I took two trades, guys. I am very happy with this trade because both my trades had perfect entry and perfect exit. I couldn't have done it better. I'm pretty happy with how this trade went, and that is why I'm making a video. So my first trade is right after the breakout. I took the trade here. The next day there was a consolidation, and my stop loss was here, and this is my entry. And if my stop loss was hit, I would have exited here. So basically, I entered here, and then the next day it went up really nicely, and then the third day there was a gap up. So the second day, sorry, on the third day my exit was around 2.8, although I wanted to exit around $3, but I couldn't. Okay, where was it? Yeah, here on the, I thought I'll wait for $3. Although it reached $3, I did not exit at $3, but it was around 2.8. I exited it. So let me just show you the problem with IBKR is that the reason why I'm not able to show you the statement is that it's not as easy or good as Zerodha. None of the US brokers, in my opinion, are good as the Zerodha Indian broker, because IBKR is quite an old platform. Although it's the biggest brokerage in US, but I wouldn't say their websites are that good because it's old and little clunky. So I don't like the UI and UX, and I couldn't find like, I could see some statements which I will paste it here. That is where I found I made $84,000 in total, because I took two trades and I had no idea. It took some time to find it, and as I said, like, the UI is not good for to look at your trades, and that is why I'm not able to show you the exact end, exact price I entered and exited. But I know where I entered, so that's why I'm explaining you. So the first trade I made, I invested around $55,000 here, and then it went up and I closed. I told you, right? I closed it around 2.8. So I made a profit of 49 $1,000, and the ROI is 88%. Okay, and then what happened was, I don't know if you guys were able to see. Wait. I'll just put it like here on the side so that, okay. So the second trade, that's it. I kind of took DVLT out of my watch list, and after a week or so, after look at this. This is a pure consolidation, guys. These, although it's all red, but I would consider this to be a consolidation. But this is not a consolidation because it's big. Here the move is the green. Like, see, look at this. Let me just show you. The move is 700%. Okay, but the consolidation is just 46%. Correct. But in this move, it's 120%, but this move is like 64% down. So I wouldn't buy here. So this one, what I did, I bought it right after this huge candle, like somewhere around here, not exactly at the top, but somewhere around here, around $2. I bought it, and the next 3 days it went down. I was in loss. And so how much did I deploy in this? I invested around $70,000 in this trade. And and then after 3 days of waiting, I was in a loss. Obviously my stop loss was the swing low, and what happened, it just went up like uh very nicely. And then this is my, so I'll show you where exactly I exited. This is where I exited, guys. You may think that, wait, so this is the candle, okay? At the end of the market, I exited because I really didn't like how this wick looked like. This is a pure sell-off candle, so I just thought exit. When I was exiting here, I was thinking I was too late. I'm exiting at a very late. I could have, because I could have made a total profit of $100,000 in this trade if I nailed the top. But there is no way, no trader can do that. You can never nail the top, or you can buy the absolute bottom. You can never do that. So I was just thinking like, oh, maybe I exited a little too late. I mean, when you look at the chart now, it feels like I took exit at a very right time, right? Look at the down move. It has been going down the entire remaining 6 trading days. But on that day, I felt like maybe I was late or something. Maybe I should have exited right after the wick was formed. So this is the trading psychology, guys. Like, you may think something, you have made a mistake, but look at this. So now when I think about it, I think it's a very good exit. So this is why you should exit it. I really didn't feel good when I exited. If you ask me, that was my trade, emotion. Like, I didn't feel good when I exited here, but turns out that was again a good decision. So this is how you manage your emotion and take your decision despite how you feel. If you are just mechanical, trading will be better for you. Okay. And yeah, totally $84,000, and currently the chart looks shitty. I wouldn't trade this. Look at this, weekly sell off. Weekly sell off. As I said, I kind of nailed the exit here, and so far it's not looking good at all. I would not even keep this in my watch list. I will just delete it, move forward with other stocks. So the AI team has been really going well, because in you how you trade Indian market is quite different from how you trade the US market. You have to mix a little bit of fundamentals into it. So there are many stocks that did really well. If you look at Cipher Mining, look at this. These are Bitcoin mining, okay, Bitcoin mining stocks, but I mean mining stocks which are used to earn Bitcoins, but now they have moved into AI. They are using the mining to power the chips or the data centers, because they require a lot of power. So Cipher Mining, Iron, these are really good companies that has done really well um, in AI theme. So the AI theme is really hot at this moment, and yeah, I did trade this move in iron and CF cipher mining, but not like from the bottom. I kind of bought it here, and I made some profits, but I didn't capture the entire move. But there is a lot of good potential stocks currently in the US market, and I am trying to create a membership for this because I come across a lot of charts. Because my funds are limited, I'm not able to trade those. So at least I'll create a membership and share those charts in the community so that it's a you know it's beneficial for you. So yeah, if I manage to finish that, because there's going to be, obviously there is going to be videos to explain how I trade, how I select stocks and everything, and then I'll let you know, guys, once I complete that. I'm in the process of doing that. I'm a bit slow, not gonna lie. I'm not like super fast when it comes to that. But once I do that, I'll let you know, guys, because I want you to make use of this bull run. It does look like, I mean, there will be some few consolidation. It's better if it consolidates, because you don't want to buy at the top. So if it consolidates, that's a better opportunity for us. So I'll keep you guys posted, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you so much.